Understanding complex problems through causes and effects is crucial. Building on recognizing and researching these problems, we now focus on breaking them down into causes and effects. This approach helps educators teach students to dissect problems, fostering deeper comprehension and effective problem-solving skills. Causes are factors leading to events, while effects are the outcomes. Understanding these connections is crucial in problem solving. They can form chains or circles, impacting solutions. For instance, litter in a park affects wildlife. Recognizing these links helps educators teach students to analyze and solve complex problems effectively. Complex problems are interconnected, not self-contained. Understanding causes and effects is crucial. For instance, litter in a park can harm wildlife. Identifying these links helps us address issues effectively. We must consider how causes and effects form chains or circles, ensuring solutions are comprehensive and not just quick fixes. Exploring solutions involves identifying the causes and effects of litter in parks. Solutions might include adding more bins, removing benches, or raising awareness. Additionally, consider wildlife-friendly options like creating habitats or reducing noise. Each solution has its own set of causes and effects, which must be carefully evaluated to avoid unintended consequences. Considering all causes and effects is crucial to avoid simple solutions. For instance, adding more bins might increase park usage and noise, affecting wildlife. Understanding these interconnections helps educators teach students to analyze complex problems comprehensively, ensuring solutions are effective and sustainable. Understanding how causes and effects connect is crucial. We have static connections, where one cause leads to one effect. Linear connections form chains, like rainfall leading to flooding. Circular connections create cycles, such as technology prices dropping, increasing demand, and further price reductions. Recognizing these patterns helps us address complex problems effectively. Teaching causes and effects starts with simple examples. Begin with an effect, like a shop closing, and explore possible causes. Introduce static, linear, and circular connections to show how causes and effects interlink. This approach helps learners grasp the complexity of problem solving, preparing them for deeper analysis in various contexts. Reinforce understanding by integrating diverse learning contexts. Use scientific, literary, historical, or geographical examples to illustrate cause and effect. Encourage students to map these relationships, fostering deeper comprehension. This approach not only solidifies their grasp of complex problems, but also enhances their ability to identify interconnected causes and effects in various scenarios. Structured assessments are key to evaluating understanding. Define cause and effect clearly and explore their interactions. Encourage learners to identify and map causes and effects within complex problems, showcasing their reasoning. This approach ensures a comprehensive grasp of problem-solving dynamics, preparing students for real-world challenges. Understanding causes and effects is crucial in solving complex problems. By applying these concepts, educators can guide students to think critically and develop effective solutions. Let's empower our learners to navigate challenges with insight and creativity. Thank you for your dedication to enhancing problem-solving skills in education.